So this one AI video just made $109,000 in only 6 days, and they did this without the product, only with a laptop. This guy made an AI video, and it's just kind of gross. The thumbnail is like yellow teeth and bacteria and a tongue hanging out. It's just nasty. But what's not nasty is the likes, almost 500,000 likes. This video is genius because not only does he use AI and some stock footage, but he also uses photos and videos from real life. Now, the reason why he made so much money by selling this product is because it's TikTok Shop Affiliate. Whenever you sell a product through the TikTok shop, you can get a commission. All right, let's go into analytics. Scroll down, 13.8 million views and $119,000 in sales. He sold 109K with 10% commission. This guy can get 11 grand for a 48-second TikTok, and you know it probably took him like an hour to make. It's kind of worth it. Not all $119,000, but I will gladly take 11 grand an hour. For the secret of this video, we're going to kind of replicate what this guy did so you guys can see it in action, and then you can take these lessons and apply it to your own videos. I made a video before about how to make money using AI and TikTok shop affiliates, and now that everyone's catching on how to do this, so you need to stand out. In this video, we're gonna break down how you can stand out and make videos that are just top-tier superior. Like always, we need to find an ace product. So first, we are going to Cola Data, then come down here to the category, scroll over, click on Health, and Apply. Then you can see so many TikTok Shops products. Just find the most popular one. This thing is just like the #1 in the world right now. So yeah, we're gonna do it. Next, we need to create a banger script. Notice at the start, he adds text on the screen. He also adds a comment reply. Wait a moment, the dude mentioned himself. Okay, so genius. Then you can give any comment you like. Anyway, the start of the video needs a good hook. It's super important. So keep in mind, if there is not a good hook, people will just gonna keep scrolling. Just one little finger movement. So I have to hook them in and get them to stay nasty and crazy as the first image. Like this dude did, it is just this disgusting. Also add comments, reply, and subtitle in this video, what he is saying in the subtitle. If your breath starts to stink just a few hours after you brush your teeth, then you need to start oil pulling. That is an amazing hook. It's actually a banger, so we are going to kind of replicate it. If you have stanky breath only a couple hours after you brush your teeth, then you need to, okay, let's mention the product here. For stanky breath, a lot of people are insecure about this. It's also a problem people don't want to talk about in daily life. But if you hook this question first and then give a solution, obviously they're going to want to watch it. So I think this is a really good hook. Now let's go to the main content. It used to need to ask our old friend GPT, but today I will use Bool Video as a replacement. Open Bool Video, then click the AI assistant, give AI the information of the product, and then let him write a script. Listen, make sure your prompt contains the advantage of this product and let AI generate content based on your input and explain the solution clearly. Now it's done. This is the most important part. Make sure you read the whole content and delete something you think is useless. This is the only part that needs humans, and the rest is all AI made. So remember, this entire video is all based around that script. The next step is to clip. Let's go back. You can find this guy took videos using the product, and on top of that, he also had like stock footage, like this random chick, just like brushing her teeth. We are going to use the copy-free videos in Bool Video's library. No need to open another tab search for resources. But the most important part is getting these AI images right here, right? So we are going to use this little AI bot again. We can use Doll 3 directly here. Ask him to generate ultra-high resolution images of gross yellow teeth with bacteria flying out and a tongue hanging out. This is going to be the most horrifying image. That's nasty. We are so going to use it. This works too, okay? I'm going to add them into the editor. So all I am doing to regenerate the same image, and that's pretty much what his dude did. Look, all these images are similar. Just repeat the process. Now we have all the nasty images. On top of that, I just record some videos like this, but what if we even don't get the product? There are so many accounts sharing this product, we just need some clips, so we are going to use Snaptic to download these recording clips. By the way, it's totally free. In the past, you didn't have to do this, but now it's super important because AI is getting very competitive. So if you want to convince them to actually purchase, you need to show them a real-life product. The key is just get a couple videos of the product. That way, it feels like a real video. and people are more incentivized to want to purchase it. So we have almost everything that we need except AI voice. So we're going to generate that audio. So we will copy the script and we go back to Bool Video and click voice, paste the content here and click generate. Little tips, you can control the rhythm of speech generation with exclamation points, quotation marks, and line breaks. I prefer a deep man voice in this kind of video, so I'll pick this.
Up close of Guru Nanda Kokomin.
Sound perfect? Add to the editor. Now, all we need to do is combine all the above content and add text and music in the editor, but I actually receive a lot of comment about, can you show it slowly? The only thing it shows is that my past guide is too complex. So today, I want to show you easy way for anyone who don't have any experience or any creator who want to find a better workflow. It's video automation. No need of any automation tool like Zappy or IFTTT. We are going to use Bool Video's new feature, script to video. Paste your script here and click generate. Then you will get an almost perfect finished video in 1 minute with clips, AI voice, and subtitles. No need to find B-roll or create AI voice. It's almost perfect. But you know, AI is not always the best, so we can replace the clips with what we download on TikTok or AI images we generated. It can all be done on this page, no difficult edit progress. A fluently workflow for any creators. Of course, if we want to change the music or change the subtitle format, we can click Edit in Timeline, then go directly to the editor. If you come here, I would highly recommend you add more color to your subtitle. TikTok's viewers don't have so much patience, so try to keep their attention on your video, as sliding to the next video is almost a subconscious behavior for them. Now, let's take a look at this video.
If you're like me and you love coffee, tea, or just enjoying life, your teeth might have taken notice. But no worries, I've found a game changer. Guru Nanda Coconut Pulling Oil. This isn't just any oil pulling product. What sets it apart? It's packed with 7 essential oils plus vitamins D, E, and K2. Perfect for boosting oral health and brightening those pearly whites.
Now, we know how to create this kind of video. So many YouTuber gurus share how to use AI to create videos, but not body show you how to promote your videos. Listen, if you just started to create your TikTok page, you need to know the traffic algorithm first. The same with any business, you cannot do the marketing after you finish the product. I'll share your growth hack for short videos today. The only reason why I do this, like I said on all my videos, video creation era is coming. Everyone should have a chance to join it. It's also the reason why we created Bool Video. Listen, music is the key for any beginner who doesn't have followers. We are going to use TikTok's creator tool, find what's the most popular music recently. Actually, for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, it's the same. If you use the hot music recently, you will get double cold traffic or even more. If you just start to create your TikTok page, for the first couple of videos, it may just get 200 plus views. It's so simple, as it's just the first wave of traffic, so don't worry at the beginning. Wait for 2-3 days, sometimes even 1 week. Then you will find which content is coming into the next wave of traffic, which means the quality of content is better than others. So what you need to do next is copy your own success, create familiar content. Let's do some math. If one good video can get an average 10K views, it's so simple on TikTok actually, and you post every day, you will find that you can get 300K views per month. If 1% of traffic turns to buy the product, let's assume the product's commissions is $2, normally more, you will get $6K. Wow, it's, really worth to have a try. By the way, it's only affiliate commission. I even haven't calculated the TikTok's creator program's income and the future collaboration chance. Also, I have received some comment about how many followers to join TikTok's affiliate. The official answer is 5,000, but the truth is that depends on your content. I did receive one of my viewers answer that he start affiliate before 5K followers. If you want to start your business on TikTok recently or just want to find a good side hustle, this is the thing that you can not miss. Let's look back to the whole video. All you need to is 1. Find a good product on TikTok's affiliate shop. 2. Generate an AI script. Don't forget, write the hook by yourself. 3. Download TikTok's clips of the product. 4. Paste the script ATP Bool Video and click Generate. 5. Replace the materials with TikTok's clips. 6. Optimize the video in the editor. Not required. Growth tips. Number 1. Download popular music from TikTok and add to your video. Growth tips number 2. Learning to wait, find the good content, then copy your own success. Growth tips number 3. Don't need to wait for 5K followers, create good content, then apply. If you found any good TikTok or YouTube accounts, leave their link in the comment. I will learn from them and try it for your first.